shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking.
Hey, welcome to my channel. This time I'm doing a food review on a food truck that I stopped at, and they stay open late. They're called Delicious Bite, and they are located South Broadway, Lexington, Kentucky. They have not been open that long. It says they were established in 2025, but I mean the decorations and everything is cute. Okay, so all the reviews that are on here on Google is good, and I'm a Google reviewer myself because I'm definitely gonna clock the T if I don't like something, or even if it's like bad customer service, you're gonna be on there, and that's on Mary Heavy Land. Okay, so they got so much cute stuff. Like, I should have got the cheesecake to go. You see that? Can y'all see that? Oh my god, that looks good. They got all types of stuff on here. I'm gonna show all of this. I'll leave it right here. Yeah, I spent like $13 and some change on this meal. What I ordered is the combo elotes. I wonder if I'm saying that right. I don't know. Look at that. Get in there. I'm talking about in it. Okay, so from what I know is we got the corn on the cob with cotija cheese. If I'm saying that correctly, I think I am. I love cotija cheese. Doritos, nacho cheese. I think that's it, honestly. But it looks so good. Okay, anyways, let me get in here. Oh, and a Jarrito mango. I don't know what's in there, but they have multiple flavors you could choose from. They had like pineapple, apple, the regular soda flavor, and other soft drinks that you can choose from. But I chose mango. I've never tried the mango one before. It's good. I mean, it's just Doritos and cheese. But I mean, come on. Look at that. Corn on the cob. And I promise, I'm not trying to be just messy when I eat this, because I feel like if you're going to order something like this, just go all the way. It's stuck into my teeth. Yeah, I feel like if you're going to eat this or order this, it's going to be messy anyway. So I didn't order this to be cute. Keep that in mind. This is definitely worth the 104 calories. 40. This is worth the 140 calories. I just want to add that in there.
All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she